Let's get started with CodeWhisperer Individual using Visual Studio Code and the AWS Toolkit. First, we'll install the latest version of AWS Toolkit in the latest version of VS Code. Open the Toolkit panel to the Developer Tools tab and click Start. Choose the first option, Use a Personal Email. Copy the code, switch to your browser, and then paste the code. We'll authenticate with Builder ID. It's a personal profile that gives you access to certain AWS tools, and you don't need an AWS account. You'll receive a verification code by email. Just paste it in. Then create a password for your Builder ID profile. Allow the toolkit to access your data. Then return to the IDE and start coding.